Hello everyone. I'm your legendary host, John, the Cyber Sentinel, Doe, and this is the future of security, right at your fingertips. So, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and brace yourselves for a rollercoaster ride through the cyber cosmos. Let's embark on this electrifying adventure together. In today's video, I'm going to explore how artificial intelligence, or AI, can help us learn and teach cybersecurity skills and concepts. AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines and software that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and decision-making. AI has many applications in various domains, such as healthcare, education, entertainment, and of course, cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting information and systems from unauthorized access, use, modification, or destruction. Cybersecurity is essential for ensuring the privacy, integrity, and availability of data and services in the digital world. However, cybersecurity is also a complex and dynamic field that requires constant learning and updating of knowledge and skills. Therefore, we need new and better ways to learn and teach cybersecurity effectively and efficiently. And this is where AI can help us. AI can help us improve cybersecurity education and awareness by enabling 4 key features: gamification, simulation, personalization, and feedback. Let me explain each of these features in more detail. Gamification. This means using AI to make learning and teaching cybersecurity more fun and engaging by applying game elements and mechanics, such as points, badges, levels, leaderboards, challenges, rewards, and competition. For example, AI can help us create interactive and immersive cybersecurity games that can teach us the basic principles and practices of cybersecurity, such as encryption, authentication, authorization, or firewall. AI can also help us design adaptive and intelligent cybersecurity games that can adjust the difficulty and content of the game according to the learner's progress and performance. You can check out some examples of cybersecurity games that use AI, here and here. Simulation. This means using AI to create realistic and practical cybersecurity scenarios and environments that can help us learn and practice cybersecurity skills and concepts in a safe and controlled manner. For example, AI can help us create virtual or augmented reality cybersecurity simulations that can mimic real-world cyber attacks or incidents and allow us to experience them firsthand. AI can also help us create cyber ranges or labs that can provide us with access to various tools and resources that we can use to perform cybersecurity tasks or experiments. Personalization. This means using AI to tailor the learning and teaching process of cybersecurity to the individual needs and preferences of the learner or the teacher. For example, AI can help us create personalized and adaptive cybersecurity curricula or courses that can match the learner's or the teacher's goals, interests, background, and level of expertise. AI can also help us create personalized and intelligent cybersecurity tutors or mentors that can guide and support the learner or the teacher throughout the learning or teaching journey. Feedback. This means using AI to provide timely and constructive feedback to the learner or the teacher on their performance or progress in learning or teaching cybersecurity. For example, AI can help us create automated and accurate cybersecurity assessment or evaluation tools that can measure and report the learner's or the teacher's knowledge, skills, and competencies. AI can also help us create interactive and adaptive cybersecurity feedback systems that can offer suggestions, recommendations, or corrections to the learner or the teacher to improve their learning or teaching outcomes. These are some of the ways that AI can help us improve cybersecurity education and awareness by making it more fun, realistic, personalized, and effective. However, AI is not a substitute for human involvement in cybersecurity education and awareness. AI is a tool that can complement and enhance human efforts in learning and teaching cybersecurity. Therefore, we need to use AI for cybersecurity education and awareness in a responsible and ethical manner, by balancing the benefits and risks, and by collaborating with other stakeholders, such as governments, regulators, industry, academia, and civil society. Moreover, we need to foster a culture of cybersecurity among users, organizations, and society. A culture of cybersecurity means having a shared understanding, attitude, and behavior towards cybersecurity that reflects its importance, value, and responsibility. A culture of cybersecurity means being aware of the cyber threats and risks that we face in the digital world, and being prepared to protect ourselves, our data, our systems, and our networks from them. A culture of cybersecurity means being proactive, vigilant, and resilient in the face of cyber attacks or incidents, and being able to recover from them quickly and effectively. A culture of cybersecurity means being respectful, trustworthy, and accountable for our actions and decisions in the cyberspace, and being mindful of the impacts and consequences of our actions and decisions on others and on society. How can we foster a culture of cybersecurity? There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, but there are some general steps that we can take, such as raising awareness and education. This means informing and educating ourselves and others about the importance, value, and responsibility of cybersecurity, and the cyber threats and risks that we face in the digital world. We can use various channels and platforms, such as social media, blogs, podcasts, videos, webinars, or workshops, to spread the word and share the knowledge and skills of cybersecurity. We can also use various methods and techniques, such as storytelling, visualization, demonstration, or gamification, to make the information and education more engaging and memorable. Developing policies and standards. This means establishing and enforcing clear and consistent rules and guidelines for cybersecurity that apply to ourselves and others, such as users, organizations, or society. We can use various sources and references, such as laws, regulations, frameworks, or best practices, to create and implement the policies and standards for cybersecurity. We can also use various tools and mechanisms, such as audits, reviews, or certifications, to monitor and evaluate the compliance and effectiveness of the policies and standards for cybersecurity. Building trust and collaboration. This means creating and maintaining a positive and cooperative relationship with ourselves and others regarding cybersecurity, such as users, organizations, or society. We can use various strategies and actions, such as communication, transparency, accountability, or recognition, to build and sustain the trust and collaboration for cybersecurity. We can also use various platforms and networks, such as communities, forums, or alliances, to share and exchange the information, resources, or experiences of cybersecurity. These are some of the steps that we can take to foster a culture of cybersecurity among ourselves and others. A culture of cybersecurity is not something that we can achieve overnight or by ourselves. A culture of cybersecurity is something that we need to cultivate over time and with others. A culture of cybersecurity is something that we need to embrace as a part of our digital citizenship. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on cybersecurity. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and share your thoughts or questions on AI and cybersecurity education and awareness. Thank you for watching and see you next time.